Having trouble charging your AirPods case? This could be due to dust or debris in the charging port, issues with your charging source, or even a glitch in your AirPods settings. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix this and get your AirPods charging like normal again. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Clean the charging port. In most cases, dust or debris can get stuck inside the charging port of your AirPods case. Take a closer look at your AirPods charging port and see if there is any debris. Take a soft plastic pick or a toothpick to gently clean the charging port. Be really gentle because this area can get damaged with excessive force. After cleaning it, try to connect the charger and check your issue. Solution 2. Try a different cable and adapter. Sometimes the issue isn't with your AirPods case, it's with your charger. Use an official Apple Lightning cable or a high-quality certified one. Try using a different power adapter or even plug into a different wall outlet or a USB port. Also avoid charging your AirPods case with a computer or power bank during troubleshooting. Use a direct wall outlet for the most reliable test. Solution 3. Reset your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red and then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. On My Devices, see if the AirPod is showing or not. If it's showing, then tap the eye icon next to it and forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. I hope one of these fixes did the trick for you. If it did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. And let me know in the comments which solution worked best for you.